Hello everybody. Today you will see a slightly different video, no tutorial. I want to introduce you to the Shakker AI webpage, community and model database. I'm not a big fan of absolute monopolies, so it's always nice to have alternatives to the big players, and therefore I want to show you Shakker AI. It's a page similar to CivitAI, but with one big difference. You will not find not safe for work models, images, and so on this page. Other than that, you find similar features as you know it from CivitAI. There are lots of high quality models based on stable diffusion. You can find LoRa's, you can find poses, you can find control nets. Shakker AI offers high quality stable diffusion models with one major difference. You will not find not safe for work content there. If you use CivitAI and you have enabled the not safe for work content there, you get bombed with this content, and I for myself was not happy with that, so I disabled it again. So in this regard, Shakker AI is different and you will find not such a content there. You can find and upload models, LoRa's and all different kinds of content there. You can see it here. The page design is quite minimalistic. I like it a lot. You have a search bar at the top and you have a possibility to sort and filter all the models and LoRa's here on the right side. You can set the time period. You can filter for checkpoints, poses, LoRa's, and so on. As far as I understand it, all models are free to use for uncommercial things, but you have to be a special member if you want to use the models for commercial jobs. Shakker AI has an own AI generator, and you can search for content you like and recreate it with a different seed and different settings, or you can create your own content. The whole thing is based on a point system, so you have a number of points and can generate your stuff. On the other side, you can simply download the models and use it in automatic 1111 or on ComfyUI, and I will show you a few different models and the results now. One model I like a lot is AP Hyperphoto Goddess. I will link it in the description below. I used it for creating such painting style portraits, and I think the effect is really nice. I can upload those workflows to my Patreon page again, and I think the results are quite nice. Nice colors, the face is nice, the composition is nice. Let's try, this is without any LoRa or something else. What you might have to do with some models is use an extra external standard VAE. You should be good to go. Let's try another prompt. This is also the AP model, but with a more landscape oriented prompt, landscape, water, beautiful artwork, and so on. So let's give it a try. And I really like the composition again, and the light, and this old painting style really works for me. Another model I like is the online debut model. I will link this in the description below as well. And you can create nice old school oil painting style images. It's a quite simple prompt, and let's generate some images. The composition is quite nice and I really love the results. Let's do the same with a more landscape-based prompt. And here you get those nice, it looks like almost Studio Ghibli style. Really love the desaturated look and really looks like a bright summer day at the beach. So I think you can really work with it and generate nice stuff with it. As a third model, I want to introduce you to the DreamTech XL model. It is more on the dreamy side, and I really like this text effects in this fantasy landscapes. Some space and sci-fi themes and some manga styles. Really like it. So let's give it a try in Comfy. Let's create this dream cabin house in the desert with a nice sky. It's totally doable to create similar results as you see on the preview images on the Shakker page. Text is always a little bit difficult, but with those big letters, it's totally fine. I would say nice results for this model. Let's try the Porsche example from the Shakker page, and I would say quite nice results. So this DreamTech XL model so far is my favorite. Let's try a third one. So this manga scene, not bad. And let's try the Northern Lights mountain scene, and I would say quite nice Northern Lights. I tried different models to create Northern Lights, and I think those are the best I have seen so far. So yeah, I would say you can work with it. All the prompts I used here you can find on the Shakker pages of each model I showed you. I will link those in the description below so you can try it yourself. Be aware that some models need special settings for steps and CFG, for example, or some need a special VAE and some special resolutions. So be aware of this, that you have to study the description of each model. Okay, that is Shakker.ai. I think it's nice to have alternatives to the big players in the game, so be sure to give it a try. Let me know in the comments below if you like it and how you use it and what models you like most. So maybe I can discover something I didn't see so far. I hope you liked this video. Next week I will dive into Auraflow, the open source model which got released some days ago. I will show this open source model in detail and how you can use it and what you need it. So far it's only supported with quite big GPUs, with quite big VRAM, but I will tell everything in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.